Hey people, we are at the One Triumph showroom in Gurgaon for the official unveiling of the Trident 660. Let's go in and check out the bike in flesh. Test rides are not allowed, but let's just have a look at the bike. Hi guys, we are at the One Triumph showroom in Gurgaon for the launch of the Trident. This is a 660cc motorcycle, 80 PS of power, 64 Newton meters of torque. All those stats aside, one thing that I'm really impressed and really happy about is the triple cylinder engine still has that typical growl which is done away in the Tiger 900. So I'll just show you how the exhaust sounds of the Trident. Beyond the exhaust note, something that I like is the build quality, typical Triumph build quality. I have been using a Triumph for the past 2 years, the Tiger 800. Before that, I was riding a Kawasaki. So the competition in this segment is the Z650 and the Honda CBR 650. If you compare the build quality of all three brands, I think Triumph's build quality is super awesome. Speaking that from experience from the past 2 years. Those are the triple cylinder pipes, the beefy disc brakes, twin brake setup at the front, awesome build quality on the engine and the chassis, which is typical of Triumph. Look how these pieces of chrome are done around. They exude a lot of quality. Amazing stuff. And finally, the most stunning part of the bike, that sari guard. Just joking. This is something that has to be thrown away at the first instance. That's the top-notch Showa suspension on the Trident as well. And that is the full LED headlamp with those beautiful looking LED indicators. Along with that, I think most of the naked bikes kind of look puny, but this one has a lot of bulk on it. You see this beefy tank gives you that big bike feel, and I'm sure it's going to be fun to ride. And one more awesome thing about this bike, I think that Triumph has bought first time in India, is the service interval. Normally all the Triumph bikes have a service interval of about 10,000 or 1 year. This one has a 16,000 kilometer service interval. That's a first for any bike that Triumph has bought in India. So kudos to that. Look at the attention to detail here. The Trident logo, it is so beautifully designed on the tank. Looks awesome. So the Trident comes with a TFT display and the media kit can be added to it as an accessory, which will give you access to phone controls, controlling your music and the GoPro. The display is pretty high definition and it comes with 2 modes, rain and road. The good thing about this bike, even though it gives you that big bike feel, the seat height is pretty approachable, just 805 mm, so it should suit a lot of Indian riders of varied heights. As of now, the bike is only available in the matte black finish. It comes in 4 other color options. Really looking forward to seeing all the other color options in flesh. But for now, I'm just waiting for the test ride to be available and get my leg over this beauty. So that was a brief walk around of the Trident 660 at the Triumph showroom. The bike is priced at just below 7 lakh rupees ex-showroom. So on road it should be like 8.2 something. Really looking forward to riding this beauty.